Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Charmeleon doing his flamethrower attack. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Charmeleon and his flamethrower attack, let's begin by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw lines just going to curve down, and then I'm going to angle this back. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to curve this line back. Then I'll bring this line down. And then for the inside of the eye, let's draw a line that's just going to curve down and up. We'll do a small little circle there. And then we'll do a little one down here, but I'm going to color this one in. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then back in for the other eyebrow. And then right here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and then back. And then I'm going to extend this line out. We'll come down and then bring it back here. Next, I'm going to bring this line out and then down. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line out, and then I'm going to curve it down and bring it up just a little bit. I'm going to bring this line over and then up. Then I'm going to put two little dots right here for the nose. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and then right to here. And then I'll bring this line down again. I'm going to bring it up and then connect it to here. Right here, we'll go down and up for one of the teeth. And I'll do the same thing here. Now, I want to make the fire coming out for his flamethrower attack. So I'm going to begin by drawing a wavy, kind of curvy, bumpy line. And then I'll do the same thing over here, some different points. I'll make this kind of get slightly bigger as it comes out. And then same thing here, putting lots of points and curves, and then we'll just kind of connect it. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and connect it to here. And I'll put a little curve here. Then I'm going to add another little curved line right here for the eyebrow, just to kind of finish off the head. Next, starting here, let's draw a little line that comes down. And I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then over. I'm going to make this line come out, and then I'm going to bring it right to here. Make a little line that's going to curve out and around. Leave a little space, and then I'll do another one here. And then I'll do one more right here for the claws. Next, I'm going to bring this back into here. Then I'm going to bring this down to here. Next, I'm going to curve this line down. And then right here, I'm going to curve this line down and then up to here. And then right here, I'm going to draw a little line in and a little line in here to kind of show where the neck is. Starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then I'm going to curve it back here for the leg. Then I'll make a line that's going to come out to a point and back. out to a point and back, and then one more, out to a point and back here. Then I'll add some little curves across here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and it's going to curve up here. I'll make a line that's going to come down and up, and then down, and then up here, and I'm going to curve it right up to here and down. Next, I'm going to bring this line back up here. Then right across here, let's add some little curves for the toes. Now, over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. I'm going to make a point that's going to come out and curve around. Another line down. And we'll make another little point that comes out for another claw. Bring this down, and I'll do another little claw. I'll curve this up and then bring it in for that other arm. Next, I'm going to curve this line down to here, and I'll bring this line up a little more. Next, I'm going to make the tail. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up here with a curve. Curve this line down, and we'll make it bigger as I come back. And then I'm going to make another little line right up here. Now for the fire on the end of the tail, I'm going to make some long, kind of pointed, curvy lines. And we're just going to make these all over. There's no really right or wrong way to do it. Just make a bunch of little points on there. And there you go. There is your drawing of Charmeleon doing his flamethrower attack. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.